Are you looking for the best 6.5-inch car speakers to transform your driving experience with richer bass, clearer vocals, and more detailed sound? Whether you're replacing factory speakers or building a premium car audio system, the right component speakers can make every sound cleaner, louder, and far more immersive. In this video, we've selected the 5 best 6.5-inch car speakers available today. Our picks are based on sound quality, build quality, power handling, installation compatibility, real user feedback, overall performance, and value for money, so there's an option for every budget and listening style. All product links are available in the description below. Now let's dive into the list and find the perfect 6.5-inch car speakers for your vehicle. Number 5. Infinity Reference 6530CX. The Infinity Reference 6530CX is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want cleaner, more detailed sound without spending premium money. Its edge-driven textile tweeters produce crisp, natural highs, while the oversized +1 polypropylene woofers increase cone area for stronger bass and fuller mid-range performance. The included component crossover helps separate frequencies more accurately, resulting in improved stereo imaging and vocal clarity compared to factory speakers. Installation is also straightforward thanks to the redesigned baskets that fit most factory speaker locations. While these speakers perform well with a factory head unit, pairing them with an external amplifier unlocks their full potential. Considering their strong sound quality, reliable build, and positive customer feedback, they remain one of the best value component speaker systems in their class. Pros: smooth, detailed highs with edge-driven textile tweeters. +1 woofers deliver stronger bass and richer mid-range. Excellent vocal clarity and wide stereo imaging. Designed to fit most factory speaker locations. High sensitivity provides good performance even with factory stereos. Outstanding value for the price with trusted Infinity sound quality. Cons: bass performance improves significantly with an external amplifier. Does not include speaker wiring or installation accessories. Not intended for extreme high-power competition audio systems. Final verdict: the Infinity Reference 6530CX is a fantastic choice for anyone upgrading from factory speakers. It delivers a noticeable improvement in clarity, balanced sound, and overall listening enjoyment while remaining affordable. If you're looking for one of the best value 6.5-inch component speaker systems for everyday driving, this model is an easy recommendation. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate T2652S. The Rockford Fosgate T2652S is a premium component speaker system built for enthusiasts who demand powerful output and exceptional clarity. Featuring 6.5-inch woofers, aluminum dome neo tweeters, and dedicated audiophile grade crossovers, it produces detailed highs, dynamic mid-range, and punchy bass that easily outperform most factory speakers. The billet aluminum phase plug improves heat dissipation while helping maintain consistent performance during extended listening sessions. Rated at 100-watt RMS and 200-watt peak, this system performs best when paired with a quality external amplifier, making it an ideal upgrade for serious car audio installations. Although it requires more investment than entry-level speakers, its sound quality and durable construction make it well worth considering for premium builds. Pros: powerful 100-watt RMS handling with excellent dynamic range. Aluminum dome tweeters deliver crisp, detailed high frequencies. Dedicated audiophile crossovers provide accurate frequency separation. Billet aluminum phase plug improves cooling and performance. Strong mid-range and punchy bass with impressive overall clarity. Premium Rockford Fosgate build quality and reliable durability. Cons: requires an external amplifier to reach its full performance. More expensive than entry-level component speaker systems. Installation may require additional customization in some vehicles. Final verdict: the Rockford Fosgate T2652S is an outstanding option for drivers building a high-performance car audio system. Its combination of powerful output, detailed sound reproduction, and premium engineering delivers an immersive listening experience that stands well above factory speakers. If you're willing to pair it with a quality amplifier and invest in a premium setup, this component speaker system is one of the best choices in its class. Number 3. Sony Mobile ES-XS162ES. The Sony Mobile ES-XS162ES is a premium 6.5-inch component speaker system, engineered for listeners who value accuracy, detail, and high-resolution audio. Its lightweight aramid fiber woofer delivers tight, controlled bass with excellent mid-range definition, while the soft dome tweeter extends frequency response up to 40 kHz, producing exceptionally smooth and natural high frequencies. Sony's separated notch edge surround technology helps reduce distortion at higher volumes, maintaining clean and balanced sound throughout the frequency range. With 90-watt RMS power handling and a high-quality passive crossover network, this system performs best when paired with a dedicated amplifier. Although it carries a premium price and has relatively few customer reviews compared to more established competitors, its refined tuning and outstanding build quality make it a compelling choice for serious car audio enthusiasts. Pros: excellent sound clarity with high-res audio support up to 40 kHz. Aramid fiber woofer delivers accurate bass and detailed mid-range. Soft dome tweeter produces smooth, natural high frequencies. Low distortion design maintains clean sound at higher volumes. 90-watt RMS power handling pairs well with aftermarket amplifiers. Premium construction backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: performs best with an external amplifier. Higher price than many mainstream component speakers. Limited customer review history compared to competing models. Final verdict: the Sony Mobile ES-XS162ES is an excellent option for audiophiles seeking refined, natural sound rather than exaggerated bass. Its combination of detailed highs, balanced mids, and controlled low end make it ideal for premium car audio systems focused on musical accuracy. While it requires a quality amplifier to unlock its full potential, the overall sound quality, engineering, and long-term reliability make it a worthwhile investment for discerning listeners. Number 2. AudioControl PNW65CS2. The AudioControl PNW65CS2 is a premium 6.5-inch component speaker system designed for listeners who value clean, natural sound over exaggerated bass. Built around a high-efficiency FEA-designed motor, a polymica cone, and 1-inch wear-dampened hybrid silk dome tweeters, it delivers detailed vocals, accurate mids, and smooth high frequencies with minimal distortion. The included Linkwitz-Riley high-pass and low-pass crossovers ensure seamless frequency separation, creating a balanced and immersive soundstage. Its 3-ohm impedance also allows the speakers to extract more power from many factory and aftermarket amplifiers, resulting in greater output without sacrificing clarity. Although these speakers perform best with a dedicated amplifier and come at a premium price, their outstanding build quality and refined audio performance make them a top-tier upgrade for serious car audio enthusiasts. Pros: excellent sound clarity with detailed vocals and natural highs. Hybrid silk dome tweeters produce smooth, fatigue-free treble. 3-ohm design delivers higher output from compatible amplifiers. Premium Linkwitz-Riley crossovers improve imaging and reduce distortion. Durable steel frame and polymica cone ensure long-lasting reliability. Fits many factory speaker locations for easier installation. Cons: premium price compared to mainstream component speakers. Requires a quality amplifier to achieve its full performance. Limited customer review history compared with more established competitors. Final verdict: the AudioControl PNW65CS2 is an outstanding choice for drivers seeking high-fidelity sound with exceptional balance and accuracy. Its premium components, sophisticated crossover design, and efficient 3-ohm architecture deliver a spacious, detailed listening experience that stands out from typical factory upgrades. If you're building a quality car audio system and plan to use a dedicated amplifier, this component speaker set is one of the strongest options in its class. Number 1. Focal PS165 FXE. The Focal PS165 FXE is a premium audiophile-grade component speaker system engineered for listeners who demand exceptional accuracy and musical detail. Built around Focal's signature French-made flax cone and aluminum magnesium TAM inverted dome tweeter, it delivers an incredibly natural mid-range, tight and articulate bass, and crystal-clear high frequencies without sounding harsh. The patented TMD tuned mass damper surround further reduces distortion, while the bi-amplification capability gives advanced users greater flexibility for high-end system tuning. Designed and manufactured in France, this speaker set showcases the refined sound quality Focal is known for. Although it comes at a premium price and performs best with quality amplification and professional installation, it offers one of the most realistic and immersive listening experiences available in its class. Pros: premium French-made flax cone produces natural, highly detailed sound. TAM aluminum magnesium tweeters deliver smooth, extended high frequencies. Excellent vocal clarity with rich, accurate mid-range reproduction. Patented TMD surround minimizes distortion at higher volumes. Supports bi-amplification for advanced system tuning and performance. Outstanding build quality with premium materials and craftsmanship. Cons: premium price compared to most component speaker systems. Requires a quality amplifier to unlock its full performance. Best results often require professional installation and tuning. Final verdict: the Focal PS165 FXE is one of the finest 6.5-inch component speaker systems for serious car audio enthusiasts. Its combination of natural sound reproduction, premium French engineering, and advanced acoustic technologies deliver a refined listening experience that rivals much more expensive systems. If you're building a high-end car audio setup and want exceptional clarity, realism, and long-term performance, this speaker kit is an outstanding investment.